Hey guys, how's it going? So in today's video, we're gonna be talking about how the market is being so bad right now. How the market is like, basically, we should have a nice rally today, but it's not rallying very well, and I'm a little concerned because there's been some really good news that hit the market, and it's not really doing very much. So let's begin. So this is my review of Afria's product called Sweet Jersey 3. I just bought this yesterday. I just smoked it and I'm making the video right now. All I have to say is I don't like the taste of it. It doesn't really smell like anything. Gets me high, but everything gets me high. So yeah, that's my review of it. I don't like the taste. It doesn't really smell like anything, and yeah, that's about it. So today, Afria stock slightly recovered. I can't believe, I can't believe Afria stock dragged all the way down to back where before the massive rally when the stock was like $4 and $5, when Arroyo was around $2 to $3 and Canopy was around, I think, $8 to $14. I mean, I never thought it would actually drop this low. I mean, it would be when after stock was around this level, it was less diluted, so the price shares reflect better. But I think since this time, Afria has diluted the stock twice the amount it was when it was trading around here. So if the stock price was to reflect the price tag that was around here, the price would have to drop to around $2.30 for it to get back to the 2017 levels. But still, if you really truly believe in your company and you think this whole short attack is a bunch of bullshit, and you believe that the company is 100% legit, and all the international markets are 100% legit, and the short sellers are just full of shit, then it could be an awesome opportunity right now to purchase it, because the stock could go back to $20, basically making you 400% your income in the next year or so. But it's risky, because what happened if that's not the scenario? What happened if it plummets again to $2.30 and it gets delisted from the New York Stock Exchange? Because if Afria's stock price goes to $2.30, this would make the US within $1, and at that point the New York Stock Exchange might delist Afria. So it is super risky. If Afria stock goes to $2 or $3, would make it a super risky stock. So I'm just gonna stay away from it, because I don't trust. I mean, I never really liked Afria. I just bought it for fun, for a swing trade, and I got bit in the ass. So yeah, I'm just gonna stay away from Afria. That's just me. And plus, I don't really like the product. I haven't tried Broken Coast yet, but I have not tried. I do not like Afria's product directly. Today, the market is down quite a bit. I mean, not as bad as Wednesday, but it's early in the day. It's already down 2%. So that's pretty bad. And if it just keeps plummeting and plummeting and plummeting, not good sign. So this is Aurora's US price tag. It doesn't reflect the price tag quite a lot, because the US market was closed yesterday and the Canadian market kind of recovered today, but the U.S. market stock dropped dramatically because the Canadian market fell so bad yesterday that it's just getting reflected in the U.S. market today, if that makes any sense. Africa, you know, the same scenario, because Africa got hit so bad on Wednesday that you know, it's reflecting the price tag for it on the New York Stock Exchange today. CGC, you know, same story, but you know, Tilray, I sold off Tilray because I'm very concerned the fact that Canopy Growth and Aurora has dropped dramatically. I know Tilray is backed by billionaires, but you know, I'm just concerned and worried overall in the market right now because there hasn't been a nice rally. New age beverages, I was actually considering just getting rid of all the stock and just waiting, but I can't do it. It's so hard for me to sell the stock. I know I could lose all my gains by holding on to this. That is the risk I'm taking, but I can't sell it. It's so hard because of this news that, you know, they acquired a company for $85 million to sell CBD drinks into Asia, into China and Japan. That is crazy. The business is about 70% done in Japan and China, driving a factor for acquisitions. So it's crazy. So like they managed to do $300 million in estimated net revenue. Combined company has $200 million in assets, no debt, and $40 million in cash. And the stock is valued at $321 million. So first of all, New Age Beverages not in bankruptcy mode because they have no debt. They have $40 million of cash after purchasing this company, and they have a total of $200 million in asset, with an estimate of $300 million per year in net revenue. So I still think New Age Beverages is undervalued. If the market wasn't so bad right now, I think the stock would New Age Beverages would rally a lot more. I can't do it. I can't sell my. I was thinking of selling it, but I can't do it. I just can't sell New Age Beverages. If it drops back down to $2, $3, I'm definitely picking up more. But I'm just gonna hold on to New Age Beverages, even if, you know, I could lose all the profit I made. I did sell off some and take some profit already, so I can't do it. I can't sell it. I don't care. That's just my feeling. Also, Tesla. I can't do it. I can't sell Tesla either. It's another stock that I just cannot sell. It's just not in my DNA, not my code. Even though I'm concerned about the market, Aurora and, you know, Canopy should have rallied big time today. Acreage Holdings should have rallied big time today, but it hasn't. AMD. There was some really big news on AMD. I think I'm gonna make a separate video for AMD, so, you know, stay tuned for that. I know that most people don't care about AMD in my channel, but there's some really exciting news in 2019. I mean, there's some really exciting products for AMD in 2019, and I just kind of want to cover that. So, Acreage Holdings, to build a nationwide cannabis manufacturing and distribution platform with $160 million form factor acquisition. They are agreeing to do an all-share buy for this company, $160 million US, priced at $25 US. The stock price is $17. It rallied a little bit back today. like, if this company is agreeing to be bought out at $25 and the stock is $17, it's hard for me to see the stock selling below. I think the stock's gonna rally back to $20. Just my opinion. Even though I really feel like I think the market is horrible. It's hard for me to be really bullish on the market. I might add more to Acreage Holdings, just so I can like average down a little bit, not too much, not get too greedy. I could end up losing. It could end up going down further, but I mean, how could it go down? Like, I mean, it would just, I don't know. I just, at the end of the day, shareholders are the ones that determine the share price. But I'm just surprised that this company is agreeing to sell to Acreage Holdings for $25 when the stock is at $17. That means that they do believe in Acreage Holdings, because they wouldn't do it if they didn't believe it. So, and then Canopy Growth, which should have rallied big time today, but it's rallied very, very small. Canopy buys out Stores and Bickles. So now they are selling vaporizer products to all dispensaries around the world, including their own. That's, another big revenue generator for Canopy Growth. Canopy's gonna make like, I don't know, $500 million of revenue in a quarter. I think Canopy Growth will make eventually they will make $500 million of revenue per quarter, because this is Canopy. If you look at their business, they have the biggest production. They have pretty decent weed. I would not say it's super high quality, but I wouldn't call it bad quality too. I'm calling it above average. They have above average weed, in my opinion. Aurora also has above average weed. Metro Leaf has super high quality. I really like Metro Leaf product. Cantras is okay, but they add this business to their collection of revenue generators, and the stock is like, whatever. Like, the market's like, whatever, we don't care. So that's concerning. That's very, very concerning to me, that the fact that Canopy didn't rally like 10% today or 20% today from such an awesome piece of news. Because the company's already undervalued. When it's under $40, I would consider it undervalued. I mean, yeah. So and it didn't even rally from this news, which is surprising. And Aurora, who has like the biggest massive fanboys ever, it's like rallying today. So and on no news at all. So kind of concerning to me. Yeah. That's all I have to really say about that. Namaste. Barely a rallies day, even at $1.20. Kind of surprising to me, in a sense. Tilray. Yeah, good thing I sold. It's going down. I hope Powell, that one guy that talks, that is like a day trader who has like a bunch of cash. He's on my YouTube channel. He comments sometimes. I forgot his name. Paso or something. He says that Tilray is going to drop to $60. He's been right. He said that Afri was going to drop to $6. I don't know how he would know, but it dropped to $6, and he was correct on that. And then he says that Tilray is going to drop to $60. So if it does ever drop to $60, I'll be a buyer. For fun. Just like a small position. MPX. Rallied a little bit today. That's good. Can't complain about a rally. Wait, why I have this up? Oh wait, I guess that's all I really have to talk about for this video. That I am very concerned about the stock market, for a possibility of a stock market crash. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.